Soon. Thanks. I'm from Concur Technologies. I run the evangelism team at Concur. Our team's focus is just solely getting developers excited about the platform. And I'm going to talk about three things in the next 5 minutes. Essentially, I'm going to tell you what Concur is. How many of you know about Concur Technologies? Okay. Quite a few hands. That's a good start. And I'm going to tell you why you should work with Concur and how you can work with us. I'm going to tackle these three questions by way of numbers. Every aspect will be sliced and diced by numbers, so it'll give you real concrete data. So let's get started. What is Concur? Concur is an integrated travel and expense platform. We have over 27 million users across 23,000 enterprises. All of these enterprises range from small, medium, and large sizes. In fact, more than 60% of the Fortune 1000 companies are customers of ours. The federal government of the United States is also our customer. So, from the White House to your local DMV office, if they're traveling or if they need to submit an expense, they will be using the Concur product. So why should that brings you to the next question. Why should you care about Concur, and why as a developer should you bet your time and effort on partnering with us? Just take a minute and savor those numbers, if you will. The Concur platform is a very rich and thriving ecosystem. We have over 1 million people logging into our product every single day. We have more than 300,000 expense reports being submitted to our platform every single day. We have over 150,000 trips being booked on our platform every single day. We have 43 million transactions across 194 countries that's going on every single day. So this is a very rich ecosystem, and from a developer perspective, this is a phenomenal opportunity for you to serve a very underserved, underapped market. And all of this amounted last year to about $55 billion. That's the total spend that we facilitated through our product for our customers. We package all of this spend as an expense IQ report and make it available for everyone to consume. So if you go to the link below, you can find that, or just search for Concur expense report, expense IQ report, and you'll get this. It's got a lot of rich insight into the $55 billion spend that happened on our platform. Everything from the top spend categories to how it varied across different industry segments. How did the small medium businesses spend versus large enterprises, and what are the top countries? And in fact, each of those categories that you see there, you can double click and find more information. Another good reason for you to bet and work with us is we have a $150 million fund called as the Perfect Trip Fund. And what this fund does is actually innovate and foster innovation, and also help you help you grow your company or your startup or your idea in some cases to the next level. Boutique is a classic example. They were a big part of our fund. We had invested in 2 rounds with them. They recently got acquired by a competitor of ours. Priceline acquired Boutique. So that goes to say that we are pretty agnostic, and we are interested in innovation in the travel space, innovation in the travel and expense management space. So if you're interested, come talk to me. I can give you more information. I'm also all of this can be done using one platform, and that is the Concur platform. So at the bottom of this is our core products. What we did is we exposed these products here. Through APIs and allow them to allow developers to hack in here to build applications. And you can build multiple applications, from mobile applications to enterprise applications, which are used in-house, all the way to data insights, which is essentially a fancy way of saying you can build custom reports for companies to show them what insights can be drawn from the data. And this can all bubble up to your either the end user or business or enterprises which are using our product. So it's a very robust platform, and it allows you to get involved at multiple levels. To find more information, go to this one single portal, which is the developer portal. So developer.concur.com. It has all the information. It has documentation. It has sample code and everything else that you'll need. And lastly, we are also having our developer conference end of this October. It'll be in San Francisco at the Westin St. Francis. It's on October 30th, and we have a pitch contest. So remember, this is not a hackathon. This is a pitch contest. So for 10 minutes of your time, you could you could submit your idea and talk about how you could integrate, how you could innovate something in the travel and expense management and make business travel more pleasurable, if you will. And we have $100,000 for the 2 finalists winning the pitch contest. And lastly, what's a conference without some swag, right? Use this code. It's FinDEVr 10. The first 10 people to come in will get, we are waiving registration off. And if you have any questions, I'll be at the networking area later this evening. Thanks for your time.